Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone under 250 grams in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. 40RC F3 240 grams drone camera. This drone is very light and weighs 240 grams. According to this weight, you do not need to register on the FAA. Such a mini size is easy to carry. This F3 drone provide HD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120-degree wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. This drone can be a great photography tool, featuring follow me mode, point of interest, waypoints, and object track. It frees your hands and allows you to focus on creative video contents. It also large capacity 2000 mAh lithium battery, 25 minutes flight time, with one battery more than most similar consumer drone product, flying more freely and shooting more easily. The drone can automatically follow the pilots when it is losing signal or power, or you press one key return, it will, and fly back to takeoff point automatically. Number 4. XKJL 900 Pro 213.8 grams drone camera. This drone provide with a 90-degree remote control 120-degree ultra-wide-angle adjustable 4K camera and HD real-time image transmission. This drone provides you ultra-clear photos 4096 by 3072 pixel and videos 2048 by 1080 pixel from nearly 500 meter away, help you see the world from multiple angles. This drone provide 4 brushless motors compared with brushed motors. Brushless motors run more powerfully, speed is higher, emit lower noise, and dissipate heat more quickly. Stronger wind resistance, enabling stable and fast drone flight. This drone provides 7.4 volt 2200 mAh high-capacity smart battery, yields up to 28 minutes of flight time. By setting the air pressure off, the quadcopter can hover in the air steadily, making shooting easier. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flight and selfie. This drone provide waypoint flight mode. Open the drone app, use the flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen. The helicopter will automatically fly according to the given path. Choose a point, then the drone will fly around the point in a circle. This GPS drone equipped with GPS positioning function can automatically follow the operator when it loses signal or low battery, or you press one key to return. It will automatically fly back to the takeoff point. Number 3. KCXRG 101 250 grams drone camera. This drone optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 by 3072 pixel high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay, 5 GHz FPV transmission, and 360-degree adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle. It also brushless motors runs more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Besides, they have longer lifetime and spare you from motor maintenance. Remote control distance 3000 meters. It also large capacity 7.4 volt 3000 mAh batteries, works for 25 minutes for each charge. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. The intelligent flight modes enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands and minds to do video or picture creation, including follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. Number 2. K911 Max 250 grams drone camera. This drone's with 4K camera equipped with stable 3-axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 4K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120-degree fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters and the drone cannot move forward. This drone provides powerful brushless motor and long flight time. The drones with camera for adults 8K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. It also large capacity 7.4 volt 1800 mAh lithium battery. This drone provide up to 20 minutes of flight time on a full charge and maintain a stable connection up to 1200 meters. It also waypoint flight, no control required, intelligent flight, draw what you on the app map flight path waypoint you can follow, the draw trajectory waypoint to fly. It also auto return function prevent your 8K drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal, and low battery. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 249 grams drone camera. The DJI drone weight at less than 249 grams, capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1 or 2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-layer image sensor, compact and convenient. It can support up to 10 km of HD video transmission, and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. This drone maximum battery life of 31 minutes, more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. It can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. It also built-in return to home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone.